Scale back, simplifying your English learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, scale back. You might have heard it in various contexts, but what does it really mean? Whether you're a business professional, a student, or just someone trying to improve your English, understanding such phrases is key to enhancing your communication skills. So, let's dive into it and shed some light on scale back. The phrase, scale back, is used when talking about making something smaller in size, number, or extent. It's often used in a business or formal context but can be applied in everyday situations as well. Think of a scale, which you use to measure weight. When you remove weight from it, the scale goes back. That's where the phrase comes from. It's about reduction, cutting back, or decreasing something that is considered too large, expensive, or intense. Now, let's see how scale back is used in sentences. This will give you a better idea of how to use the phrase in different contexts. 1. Due to budget cuts, the company had to scale back its operations from 5 factories to 3. 2. The festival was scaled back this year to a smaller number of attendees for safety reasons. 3. I decided to scale back my study hours on weekends to spend more time with family. These examples show that scale back can refer to various kinds of reductions, from business operations to personal plans. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you avoid repetition. Here are some synonyms for scale back: reduce, cut back, downsize, decrease, trim, lessen. Each of these can be used in a similar context to scale back, but remember, slight nuances in their use and meaning might exist depending on the situation. It's important to know when to use the phrase, scale back. You can use it when a business needs to become smaller to save money. An event needs to have fewer people involved to manage it better. You want to limit the amount of work or activity due to time constraints or seeking balance in life. Environmental reasons require a company to produce less waste or use fewer resources. While scale back is commonly used in the scenarios mentioned, it's also found in political or economic discussions. For example, a government may scale back spending in response to economic downturns, or a negotiation might scale back demands to reach a compromise. There you have it. Now you know what scale back means and how to use it in different contexts. By learning these phrases, you are scaling up your English proficiency, even as you learn about scaling back in other areas. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you become more fluent and confident in your English usage. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to scale back your challenges into manageable steps. Happy learning!